Oh, so today I have this circle here, and I just want to constrain its diameter. So I can go up here, and this is in FreeCAD 1.01, I guess. I'm already in the Sketcher workspace, and I already have the circle made, as you can see. So this is just adding the dimension. So I click here, and then constrain diameter 2. Okay, well, this is, I guess, editing Cody here, and he just realized that I didn't cover the keyboard shortcut for constraining by diameter, and that is KO. There we go, and it already has the right one. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to some of my future videos.